Just under 2 weeks ago, my tank was completely void of life, and it was only so long I could stare at a glass box filled with water. So I needed to introduce an apex predator to the Dragon Ravine tank. This tank is looking very healthy, but very inactive. So the first thing we're gonna do, like all stories do, we're gonna start and finish in the pet store. So let's do that first thing tomorrow because it's dark right now. Look at my beautiful Minecraft blanket. Let's go. Ugh. It's my toe. What's up, Mr. Ray? Got anything to say?
You're the last one. Complete the mission.
I'm going. Oh, look at this little crown tail I found in some of these smaller ones. Let's pick some out. So I got some. You think you're gonna see? No. So we got these bad boys temperature acclimating right now, but I got a little bowl. My plan is to pour this in. I got a little net here. Let me just get it real quick. We're gonna pour the fish into this bucket, and then we're gonna fish them out and then put them into the tank. Let's see how this goes. So it's been a couple of weeks since that last clip, and you can see that they're doing really well. A small little group of them, and it's closing up time. But I'll get this over and done with. And you can see that people always talk about this is the CDOY CO2 is really bad for the tank, but it's really not, has no effect on the health of the fish, and they were doing excellent, and they love very display fish. They always come out when they see me. I'm gonna make a quick update video in a couple of weeks. If you'd like to stay around, please hit the subscribe, it helps out a lot, and I'll see you in the next one.